An education fair, Eduvento, had started today at the All Saints Hall, Shillong. As many as 18 universities from across the country are participating in the fair, which will continue till 7 p.m. of the 14th of May 2022. Speaking to media persons at the venue, the director of Eduvento, Sahil Zaman, informed that the fair is being held to enable students to have an insight into the admission processes in various colleges affiliated to universities across the country. Zaman added that information on courses, syllabi, loan facilities and other related matters will be provided to students during counseling at the fair.
Basically, we are doing this Eduvento events in different locations of Northeast. First event which was held in Guwahati on 9th and 10th, which was very successful event. Now we are here in Shillong, that means today and tomorrow, that means 13 and 14 of May. But due to today heavy rainfall, we are we got a little bit problems to gather students, but still now we have seen students are coming, and tomorrow also we are having the same event in this location, All Saints Hall. And the thing is that why a student should come to this place, because they will get an opportunity to know about the colleges, because there are different type of colleges from across India. Like if we see, we are having colleges like Calcutta, Adamas, from Alliance, Bangalore, then Sandeep University, then apart from that Acharya from Bangalore. That student, because nowadays after graduation or after 10+2, those who have already appeared their emboss, they are willing to take decision for their higher studies, like whether they will go for management or whether they will go for technical depart, or according to their choice they will get a full proper information over here, because all the big universities peoples are here, and that will be more good opportunity for the students if they come here and they can select their colleges. They will come to know about the course fees, especially for the scholarship part. See, in Northeast we are having lots of scholarship facilities like Ishanuday, Pragati, ST, SC, so which governments are also providing. So if our students will come to know each and everything, then definitely it will help them for getting a better college, as well as if they deserve the scholarship, they can avail. But we can also guide them how they can avail the scholarship, as well as the loan facility, how they can avail loan if someone is looking for. So I request everyone, I would like to invite all the students, they can come down to this place, All Saints Hall. Today we are here till 7, and tomorrow till 7 evening we are having the same event. So some of the universities and some of the colleges which comes under the universities, like for the management, for the engineering, for the paramedical courses, for the hotel management, in fact for UPSC coachings also.
On the Common University Entrance Test, as per the new education policy of 2022, the director of Eduvento said that as far as his knowledge goes, all students seeking admission into colleges under different universities in India, except for the Northeastern Hill University, will have to appear for the test.
Sir, nowadays, as per what I got an information today, NEHU, I think, according to NEHU, the Meghalaya student, I think they don't need to go for CUET. But if you check the other colleges, like if you want to go to Delhi, Mumbai, like Delhi University or some other university, yes, CUET is compulsory in that set, as per my knowledge till now. Because almost 44 to 45 universities comes under CUET, including Delhi University. Because these all are private universities, but affiliated to some government, suppose you are going for engineering in Bangalore, it comes under Bangalore University and it's a AICT approved colleges. Some of the colleges comes under Bangalore universities, like that. So CUET is compulsory for the government colleges only.